Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to log in or sign up to Airbnb with the email address. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to log in to Airbnb with email, you just simply have to open your Airbnb application at first, and then this continue with email option will appear. Just simply tap into that option, and then you just simply have to enter your email address into this box. Let me do this real quick. And after entering your email address successfully, you just simply have to tap into continue. And now after doing this, you just simply have to set up your account at first. First of all, just simply enter your legal name, which is set into your ID, and then surname, then after that date of birth. And now after setting up all this, you just simply have to set a password for your account. Then after that, click to agree and continue. And after doing this, you'll successfully be logged in to Airbnb with the email. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.